There's this YouTube channel racking up millions of views with every single upload. Their 3D animations are absolutely insane and keep people glued to their screens. When I saw their first video, I was completely hooked and couldn't help but wonder, can this actually be done using AI? So I gave it a shot.
That never happens.
You're imagining things.
Am I imagining this? What is this? This is your imagination. Everything you ever wanted, all coming back to keep you bound without your permission, keeping you chained to your desires and not letting you go. All you ever wanted was to be seen, acknowledged, and looked after. But your opportunity to break free is now.
Hey, I'm Johnny Nell. I spent years building businesses the old hard way, managing teams, scaling operations, and doing everything manually. Today, everything I built, from automations and no-code infrastructures to fully AI SaaS products, has AI helping in one way or another. Firstly, let me quickly show you this. In South Africa, we call this a braai. I build with AI tools that, in my opinion, anyone can learn to use. My mission is simple: to help creators, entrepreneurs, and business owners get clarity with AI. Build smarter together and enjoy this video. So this is what Fern looks like. You start to see the topics here that they cover. And again, guys, the animation component is one component. But from a faceless channel point of view, the thing that really brings the engagement and the viewing duration is also the story, which is the most important component of it. It's really creating something that you believe the audience wants to see instead of what you're thinking the audience needs to see. Now, when you look at all of these different animations and also the animations that they use, a lot of this is created with a team. I did a bit of research here, and it looks like they use over 20 people on team to be able to create these animations. That's insane. But in this day and age with AI, anything is possible. So I'm going to show you guys how we could potentially create something new. So looking at all of these are all different animations with just B-roll and great storytelling. And the estimated earnings here for this channel is between 5 and 15K a month, and this one between 35 and 106K a month. And again, guys, this is not at all me suggesting that going and creating a YouTube faceless channel is going to drive revenue. That's not what I'm saying. I like to review AI content, and to be able to create AI content, it's now so far sophisticated that we can start to create all of these animations and turn those into videos. Here's another channel that they have. It's the same team, very similar style in animations. But again, the story is very, very good. Sometimes all it takes is a clear framework to make AI feel human again. Simple, structured, and useful. Inside of our AI school community, you'll find the full curriculum, workshops, prompt vault, and private access to our upcoming beta apps, all built to help founders integrate AI without the overwhelm. Experience how clarity and design turns into confidence in execution with AI. So, first things first, I used Freepik. This was the easiest to start, but also it's the most expensive in credits. You can use ChatGPT, you could use Gemini, you could really utilize any image generation platform that you feel comfortable with. And then you want to go to this GPT. I will also attach this GPT in the description below, but here you want to explain what you want. So here we can say, we're looking to create a video about someone sitting in a football stadium standing out without trying to stand out. It's a very random context. But then what you want to do is you want to take that, what's created, and you can either create an image. What's nice about Freepik as well is that you can also generate a video based on the images, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to video generator. This is the first thing we want to do. And then we can describe the video, right? So here we have something, the main scene. Let's go paste that in. I'll say sound effects. Let's do multi-shots. 6x9, that's good. Okay, so there we have, it's going to cost roughly 1,200 credits. I'm not going to attach any images for now, but let's let it run with it. And then I'll show you exactly how we can turn that into something with just using AI. Just think about it, guys.
you were to hire team members that's specifically focusing on video editing, specifically animations, to be able to pull this off, not to mention the research that goes into identifying good topics and seeing out of these topics which ones are the outliers to then focus on more, then getting all the facts, then creating the thumbnails, then doing all of that. You could do literally everything in AI, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. For the thumbnails, I use Pikzels. And then you can also build a similar app to create, recreate, face swap any of your thumbnails with Google's new AI Studio. I'll link that video on exactly how we built an app like that on the video here somewhere on the screen. Go through it, see if you can build something like that for yourself as well, if you don't have the funds to go and buy the credits. Now, taking into consideration, this is what we created with Pikzels. Again, this is just a banner, but that's something we want to take into consideration, obviously, when creating good videos. Then we can say this is the first scene, right? Here we have it. There you go. So now what you want to do is you want to go back. You can just say create a short story for us with the different scenes and also the prompt for each image or let me just say per scene. Let's see what it comes up with here. Let's go for that. Let's create another one. Scene 2, scene 3. You guys get the idea. Now, again, you can use any app you want. I'm just using Freepik because it's already creating the photo and creating a video out of it. So it's not necessarily something we have to do. And you can also change the duration of what you're looking for, which is extremely helpful. Okay, so basically very much the same as what we had. We just have a bit more people inside here, and I would have also wanted this to be white, but I guess that's something we can add in the prompt. And then you want to head over to Elevenlabs. So this is where we created all of the different scenes. So as you guys saw here on Freepik, here's all of our creations that we needed to choose from and see, okay, but which ones actually work for the example that we wanted to create. Now, bear in mind, AI do not care about our sensitivity. Those are quite triggering, so viewer discretion advised again. But this is essentially what it came down to.
You're imagining.
And what's nice about Elevenlabs is you can create all of these different effects with the voiceover. It has an immense amount of audio voices to choose from, and then you can just add the script. You basically add the script and you start to create your movie. Inside of the editor here, no need to still export, try to match the audio to the video. You basically plug in all the scenes that's created, and then from there, you start working on the script that you need.
If this video sparked something, don't let it fade. Like the video, share it with people that you believe would find this interesting, and hey, if you feel called to it, hit the hype button. And also let me know what project you're currently busy with in the comments, and when it's time for your next step, this cool community is ready for you, and I'll see you inside there.